Hello and welcome to 6 Minute Maths, and today we're going to continue with our theme of averages, and we're going to look at an average called the mode. And just remember, averages is where you're working out data and looking at patterns to calculate an amount. So let's have a look at the formula for average for the mode. The mode is the most common number in a group of numbers. And there's a rule we have to do when we're working out the mode. The first thing to do is to place the values in number order, and then we can identify what the modal value is. So let's just say I went into a couple of shops and I priced up the cans of Coke in shops. So the first shop I went to, it was 80p. The second shop I went to was 60p. The third shop I went to was 40p. The fourth shop I went to was 60p. The fifth shop I went to was 70p. So I've got my values there. There are all the prices of cans of Coke in different shops. So the first thing you do to work out the modal value, or the most common price, would be to put them in number order. So I'll go 40, and I always cross them off whilst I'm doing them. 60. 60 again, 70, and finally 80. So now they're in number order, and I can see that the most common value, the most popular price for a can of Coke, in this particular example, would be 60p. You can get more than one mode. So if you've got, say, a set of numbers that was 40, 40, 60, 60, 70 and 80, then you could say the most popular price for a can of Coke would be 40p or 60p. But you can only have two. You can't have any more than two. If there's more than two, then there's no mode. Okay, let's have a look at a couple of questions. Slide over. There we go. So the first question there, Peter rolls the dice 10 times and the results are shown. Please, below, please calculate the mode. So, okay, let's put them in number order first. So we've got 1, and then another 1, then a 2, then a 3, then a 4, then another 2 4s, then a 5, then a 6, and then another 6. Okay, so I can see now that there are 3 4s. So the most common number when he rolls the dice, Peter, the mode for question 1, the most common number found when rolling the dice would be 4. Alright, let's have a look at the next one. Joanne records how many miles she completes after taking 10 journeys in her car, as detailed below. Calculate the mode. So we'll do the same thing again. We've got 4. Then we've got 9. Then we've got 11. Then 11 again. Should really split these with commas, I suppose. Then 11 again. Then I missed the 6 off there. 6. Okay. Then a 12. Then another 12. Then a 13. 12, 12 and 13. And then a 24. And I can see very clearly that the most common miles that she took on her journeys for question 2, Joanne, the most common miles, or the mode, or the most common, that's the other word for it, yeah, is 11 miles. Okay, we'll do one more question. Let's move over. There we go. Gemma has a party and the ages of her guests are recorded below. What is the most occurring age? Calculate the mode. So cross them off. So 9's the first one. Always do them in number order. You won't get the right answer. There's another 9 there. 2 9s. Okay, and after 9 we've got a 10. And after 10 we've got an 11. Then after 11 we've got 2 12s. And then we've got 2 13s. And then in 14 and then 15. So with this particular example, there is no most occurring age. Because if you recall, if you've got more than 3 numbers that are the same, because we've got 2 13s, 2 12s and 2 9s. However, if it was only 1 13, let's just say there was 1 13, then the answer would be different then. The most common age then would be 9 and 12. Okay, so just remember, if there's more than 3 sets of data the same, there's no mode, but you can have 2 the same. So in this example, we've got 9s and 12s. So the most common age would be 9 and 12. Okay, thanks for watching.